Hey guys, welcome back, or very likely to my channel. Today we are going to be doing Ipsy for the month of June. It is still June. I don't know if it'll be June when this is posted. Like other videos like unboxings and makeup and coffee videos, drink videos, I make a lot of those kinds. Check out my playlists down below and let's get into the new video. Let's get into this video. Anyway, it's this cute little bag with little little ladies in their swimsuits on towels. Very cute. It's yellow and it's got this cute little green seafoam tag color. So the first thing I got in my bag is something from Papa Recipe. It's eggplant clearing cream mud cream mask. That sounds interesting. I've never heard of an eggplant mask before, so I'm interested to give that a try. It's very purple. It doesn't smell like anything, so that is interesting. I'm going to give that a try. The next thing we have in the bag is from First Aid Beauty, which I think I actually have one of these before. This is the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with fig extract. Interesting, we're getting so many things with, like, is fig a fruit or a vegetable? Oh, wait, is eggplant a fruit or a vegetable? I don't know. Well, I think they're both fruit, but this is like clear and it smells, it really smells like something that I know, but I don't know. The next thing I have in my bag is from Sugar. It is a Matte as Hell crayon lipstick in Stephanie Plum. It's got a cute little crayon lip thingy. I'm interested to see a matte. I don't normally see a lot of matte. The next thing I have is from Dewy Tree. It's a Clean Lab AC Dew Foam for crystal clear and flawless dewy skin. Acidic cleansing foam for sensitive skin, which is good because my skin's kind of finicky. It actually smells a lot like hotel soap. If you know, it really smells like a generic hotel soap, which is interesting. The last thing that I got in my bag is from Shayna B Miami. And I like to say that name, I don't know why, but this is really cute packaging for like an Ipsy. I love this packaging. And oh, it's a cute little eyeshadow duo with like a matte here and then like a shimmer here. It has the little flamingos on it. That's so cute. I really like this. I love this, it's adorable. 2 makeup-y things and then 3 like primer, lotion, cleanser sort of situations, but actually kind of have like a lot going on here. We got a cleaner, a mask, a primer, the eyeshadows, and the lipstick. I'm actually pretty happy with this bag. I'm interested to try these cleaner things, and this, I think it just smells a lot like another First Aid Beauty project. Maybe they all kind of, First Aid Beauty? Why did I say project? I don't know. It smells like maybe like another First Aid Beauty thing that I have, but I didn't really like that one because it kind of broke me out a little bit. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to try this or not. I'm a little hesitant, but we'll see. I'll probably try it and then just, you know, see what happens. But I'm pretty happy with everything else. This is a good bag. If you get Ipsy, let me know what you got in your bag for this month. I do hope you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out all my other social media links down below, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!